Take a ride in the 2024 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.